To start this lesson, I added a video clip to my timeline. Let's begin by expanding our video track so that we can see this line and going through it. Next, left to right, click the square in the top left corner of your clip, then hover over a time remapping and select speed. Now, while holding down the Control key on your keyboard, click on the line where you'd like your speed ramp to start. This will create a speed marker at that point. Then drag the line after the marker up or down to set the final speed you want your arm to eventually reach. I'm going to drag my knob to increase my clip speed. Okay, now my clip speeds up when it reaches the marker, but it does it instantly and not gradually with a ramp. All right, now my clip ramps up over time until it reaches the second half of the marker. To smooth out the ramp, select one of the halves of your marker to see this point with handles. If you're speeding up footage like me, drag the top handle to the right. You create a curve which will smooth out your speed ramp, okay? And then my speed ramp is more smooth. Keep in mind that you can change the final speed even after creating a ramp by dragging the line after the second half of the marker. When you're done at one video, then apply same steps for another video. When all videos done, then you will see result like this.